Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening System Settings and choosing Users and Groups. Unlock the pane with your admin password or Touch ID so you can make edits. Once unlocked, select the target user from the list on the left. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you know whether the account is standard or admin, because the options you can change depend on that role. If you need to add a new admin, do that before changing ownership-sensitive settings. Now you'll change account details directly, edit the full name or account name fields, and reset the password if required. You can toggle the Allow user to administer this MAC setting to grant or remove admin rights. Do this deliberately, since it affects permissions. Manage login items to control startup apps and connect or disconnect an Apple ID for syncing. Once done, verify home folder path if you renamed the account to prevent broken file links. Finish up by logging out or restarting to ensure the changes take effect. You should sign in as the modified user to confirm settings and files are accessible. If you renamed an account and see missing files, check home folder permissions and fix ownership with the admin account using Finder Get Info or Terminal Chown commands. If the user cannot log in, boot to safe mode or recovery to repair disk permissions and revert mistakes. That usually resolves startup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.